hasn't been night.
episode.
You surprised it hasn't been what?
Season 2.
Did you say you're surprised it hasn't been night?
Well, maybe you should listen more.
Yeah, there's no nighttime on the server.
Oh, yes. Nighttime's like my burden.
What does burden mean?
It means like your flaw. Your worst, like, feature.
Nightmare.
Chris is my worst nightmare.
Wait, there's
Oh
bodies.
no, Chris is actually my dream once because I killed him.
What?
Oh, get wrecked, Chris.
Cameron, wait. I think I'm following you. Are you in the sea?
No,
Are you in the sea?
no. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Don't shoot. Yes, I am. You're shooting at me.
No, I'm not.
You just pulled out a spear.
Yeah.
He's allowed to pull out a spear.
Cameron, I'm not gonna kill you. Look, I'll pull out my bow. See, I can't shoot it because I'm not aiming it. Cameron, we're gonna just drown. Get out of the water.
Well, you see, there's a thing called spacebar.
Yeah, but if you get too wet and you start losing health.
So,
So I don't want to lose health. I'll just TP to you when you're over there.
meow, 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 meow.
Wait, can you make boats in this?
No,
No,
I don't know.
you should be able to. That would be amazing.
Yes.
Password's 5555.
It was that password before.
Yeah. I just upgraded it.
See, look at the bottom right now.
9 out of 10. Oh my god.
That's just so stupid. Right, you can TP to me now.
Okay. Slash TPR. Moo. I'm a cow. What? Oh, it's on cooldown.
Ha! You had to swim across.
Fine. Wait, are you just on the other side? Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't lose any health. If you run inland a bit, there's like a rock thing. I'm cutting down a tree. Because I can. How much cloth have I got? Like 20. Well,
Cause you're a robot.
don't
Oh, I
judge
found a
me.
deer.
Oh,
People
yeah.
enjoy sheep. Pardon? Now you are.
Oh, come on, pig! Die!
Yeah, pig!
I killed it.
I killed the
Cameron,
boar! The boar, Cameron!
Cameron, I learned pistol bullets.
Yeah, he learned pistol
So I
bullet.
got blueprints from the place that I raided.
Well, we all need pistol bullets anyway. Don't wait for the revolvers, so.
Does anyone want to go raiding with me?
Wait, arrow.
I'm gonna try to fix my...
Wait, no, it's not a boar because pigs give you pork.
Yeah, so do balls.
Don't care, right? You're a pig, aren't you, boar? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Balls don't speak.
Shut. Well, some people could talk to animals, right?
Yeah, not you.
Shut it.
Where's my word? Oh, probably in here. Wait, why is that still on?
Yes, I got
my-
80. Boom.
You got 80 what?
Low grade fuel. And I could get more. Because I saw another animal up here. Don't know where it was at though. Oh, I see a deer. Oh! That was like pure luck right there. I literally aimed it and just shot. And it like dipped down
Yeah,
over
that
the
happened
hill.
to me. It hit a male deer.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna go hunting.
It went over
Cameron,
the
when you get back, do you want to TP to
Oh
me?
shit. I just muted my microphone. Sorry.
Do you want to TP to me?
Yeah, like the deer ran over the hill and then I just shot the arrow and somehow I hit it. Wait, how am I getting chicken breast from a deer?
I know that happened to me. Everything's been happening to me. Oh yeah, and I raided that big place.
What big place?
It was a big place. That's a place where I got all blueprints.
Right, I've got 100. I'm gonna make 2 furnaces and no one's allowed to use it
Okay.
Okay.
because you don't let me use yours. So
I'd let you use
Well,
mine.
I'd let you use mine, but I'm smelting something at the moment.
right, /TPR. Try some.
It's not that. That's not his name anymore. He's got a space, so you can't TP to him. The only person you can TP to is me. Nocturnal Space Chris.
I thought it was an underscore.
Yeah.
Right, go on then. 15 seconds, ages. Gunshots! Did you hear them?
No.
Oh, well, I'm ages away from you. Oh! Sup?
Sup? Do you want to go raiding?
What the hell's wrong with your name?
Wait, I'm coming too. Cause yeah.
I put a gun and some bullets in your chest.
No, I need to make shit first.
What do you
Right.
need to make? Do you like my jacket?
Mike, let's just go without him.
No.
Yeah, don't go
Oh,
without me.
fan needs to come.
Well, you didn't let me come for the last one.
Yeah, we did. I
Why-
told
why
you
is
to
there so many
come, and then
chests?
you were like,
Hmm.
well, I can't be bothered now.
1 for me. And a 2 for me.
I tried to make another floor, but you couldn't walk around in it.
Hold on. Oh, spit. Oh, retard alert.
Yeah, your shotgun's in there. Right, let's go! Well, what's
Okay.
after him, obviously. You have to wait.
What?
The shotgun puts you down in one hit, that one doesn't. I'm thirsty.
So bad at finding things, so there we go. Turn on. There we go. So that's
I unlocked
smelting.
it, oops.
I'm gonna fill up my water bottles.
So am I.
Where did you put the shotgun?
In your chest. One in the corner.
Oh yeah.
Drink, drink. Oh, oops. That's man.
Has anyone else got a campfire in here?
Drink. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna put down one of you because I can.
But I haven't placed it.
Door. Chicken.
Wait,
don't-
you drank all of that out of here. You drank all of it out of here, and I can't get any water out
I
of
can't
this
get any
one.
water from it either. What are you doing, Cameron?
Putting shit
You-
away.
Oh, guys, found a place we can raid. Has giant satellite dish.
Let's go.
That,
Well, after Cameron.
that's not a place you raid. Well, kind of. I need a new
And I
chest.
set my home. Cameron, set your home.
How'd you do that?
5555.
Oh. That doesn't set your home, that opens the door.
No,
Bang.
set home / set home space home.
/set
I placed this
Home.
one. Do you like it? Do you like it? It's a very good placement, isn't it?
space home.
Satellite lookout place.
Does it put a waypoint? Unknown command set. Oh.
No,
Slash-
set home is one word.
Yeah, but then, Chris, how do you get teleported back in? Because I'm gonna try it now to see if it works.
/ set home
You have
home.
saved your current
No,
location
slash-
as home.
Go / home.
Okay.
Slash home.
So like
home.
you could TP to
/
home.
home.
Slash.
Right, where are you guys?
We're outside.
Oh, right, yeah.
But hang on, I might get teleported.
Why
10
does my
seconds, 10.
gun go like that?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go.
Guys, I think we're the only 3 on this server. It says down
Hi.
at the bottom. There's only 3 on the server.
None of the 10 people enjoy. What? Why does
Okay.
it keep coming up? What's up,
Yeah,
cat?
guys, in case I die, I'm not taking my shotgun, I'm taking this sort of thing.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, do we all have the same shotguns though?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I made.
I need a reload.
Cameron, you've got like rubbish armor.
Yeah,
I've got like a jacket.
I got some
Yeah,
pants.
but
I got some
that-
Got some
I've
good
got some
I've got
pants, I
a
got some
bulletproof helmet.
boots, and I got a poncho. I got a bandana mask. I got a baseball cap, and I got a hoodie.
Yeah, but all it does is like make you look better. It's like literally it.
No, hoodie actually has some armor. No, I mean, jacket has some armor on it.
So does hoodie.
So just build a lab.
Guys, just the same way as we just went. Why do we come back this way?
Well, I don't know.
Let's go over there.
We find a place
Let's
to
go.
raid.
Let's go to the satellite dish.
Over there.
Yeah, but you
Oh
don't-
my god.
Yeah, but there's nothing over the raid. It's like crates and that's it.
Okay.
Well, we'll go that way to raid. I'm gonna go look. We need to make a bridge across this.
Wait, Cameron, can I check if your helmet is bulletproof?
No.
Why? You said it was bulletproof.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna let you check it.
I'll
I
check.
heard, I heard it was bulletproof. You shoot me and I will shoot you. I'll cap you in the face, alright?
Cap
I'll
you in the
your-
face.
I will cap your ass.
Cap your ass.
Yeah, I'll cap your ass.
Oh,
Ha!
oh, you're in the way, Mike.
You guys went
Okay.
silent, so I just like, you know.
Dibs this barrel.
Did this barrel? That's not a barrel. It's a box.
Dibs
With
it. I
apples
dibs that thing.
and water.
Oh
in.
no, I got blueprint fragments. Oh. Okay, you can have them. There you go.
Don't go.
Wait, guys, wait. Cameron,
Dibs,
did you pick
dibs.
up my thing that I grabbed?
Dibs, 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 dibs.
Leather gloves.
Guys, look at what's in my hand.
Hang on, what is it?
Whoever's running towards the container, stop and look behind you. Whoever's hitting the container, look at this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on, I'm just gonna pick all of these up.
Cameron, where are you? I want to
You
show
want a
you. behind you.
pickaxe?
Oh,
Oh,
this one.
learn it.
No, because it will disappear.
Cloth.
Might not.
Oh,
What's
it
a
had
hand?
nothing in. Cameron, look at my pickaxe.
I don't care about your pickaxe.
Run!
Did you just throw a grenade?
Yep.
Why?
So then,
Wait, what grenades is it? Is there pink smoke coming out of it?
it's a big gun.
Oh, right, okay.
Does anyone want my bow?
No.
I got supply shit, and yeah.
Do you know why I'm offering my bow away?
Why?
Because I've got something better. I got a crossbow.
Wow.
Learn it.
I like bows
No, I'm
better.
not learning my stuff. That's good.
I like bows better than everything.
I like crossbows
Hey,
better
you're the bow man.
than bows.
Come on.
Oh. Oh! Found shit. Large furnace. Ooh. It's mine. Wooden floor spikes. Ooh, mine.
Where are you?
I'm not telling you where I am.
Guys, I'm not getting the best stuff.
Medical
Yeah.
syringe. Yes, mate. What's this?
As you know, I haven't told you what I got.
Guys, I've got a machete.
Cool.
Yeah, it's melee. It's melee. Though. It's like shit.
I got a bow.
Why would you? Why would you want a machete? Like, come on, seriously.
So if I'm going like head-to-head combat, I could just machete their face.
Or you can just pull out a pistol and just shoot them right in the face, like. You know?
It said hand-to-hand, not hands to
So?
gun.
So it's like they have a spike, you have a revolver. Who's gonna win? You have a spike, they have a machete. They're gonna win.
I got a snap wrap, a landmine, and a blueprint fragment.
I got a large medikit. Oh, the blueprints.
I got a Thompson.
Oh, I got two
Blueprint
blueprints.
fragment.
Wait, what blueprints does everyone have?
I've got blueprints.
I got a Thompson.
I got a stone barricade blueprint and a large med kit blueprint.
I've got them too.
Okay. Wait, where have you guys
I can
gone?
make a Thompson!
Where have you guys gone?
I'm just exploring a small area around the satellite.
Chris, if I give you stuff to make a Thompson, will you make it for me?
Yep.
Right, okay, cool. Oh, incendiary pistol bullet. Oh, it's only one.
Snap trap
Oh,
and
what?
anti-radiation pills.
They're useless. Fragment, paper,
Tramp stamp.
grenade.
Can of beans and a blueprint fragment. I see someone. He's got a metal. Oh, wait, that's you. What's up?
You what, M10?